गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एक बहुत ही आसान लेकिन बहुत ज़रूरी टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं, सिंपल मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस यानी साधारण गणितीय क्रियाएं। These आर दी ऑपरेशंस वी यूज इन आवर डेली लाइफ, जैसे कि जोड़ना, एडिशन और घटाना, सब्ट्रैक्शन। एडिशन के लिए हम प्लस प्लस साइन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हम माइनस साइन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स जिन्हें याद रखना है। 1. 0 प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू 0। 0 में 0 जोड़ो तो हमेशा 0 ही आता है। 2. एनी नंबर प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू सेम नंबर। किसी भी संख्या में 0 जोड़ने से संख्या वही रहती है। एग्जाम्पल, 7 प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू 7। 3 is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0। 0 में से 0 घटाने पर भी 0 ही आता है। 4. Any number minus 0 is equal to same number। किसी भी संख्या में से 0 घटाने से संख्या वही रहती है। Example, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9। Example, Question 1. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 20, 5, 7, 8। आंसर, अब हमें खाली जगह में सही साइन लगाना है, प्लस या माइनस। लेफ्ट साइड देखते हैं। 20 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 15। राइट साइड देखते हैं। 7 प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 15। सो आंसर होगा 20 minus 5 is equal to 7 plus 8। Question 2. A pen costs rupee 15। Ria has only rupee 8। How much more money is required by Ria to buy the pen? Answer, cost of pen rupee 15. Money with Ria rupee 8। Remaining money 15 minus 8 is equal to 7। So, Ria needs rupee 7 more। बच्चों, ऐसे सवाल रियल लाइफ में हमें मदद करते हैं, जैसे शॉपिंग करते समय या किसी चीज की कीमत निकालने में। Question 3. Put plus or in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 4, 1, 5। Answer, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5। Question 4. Put plus or in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 20, 10, 10। Answer, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10। Exercise 1. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 5 space 4 space 1 is equal to 10। Answer, पहले 5 plus 4 is equal to 9। फिर 9 plus 1 is equal to 10। So the correct answer is 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10। 2. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 65 space 9 is equal to 56। Answer, 65 minus 9 is equal to 56। So the correct answer is 65 minus 9 is equal to 56। 3. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 20 space 5 space 10 is equal to 25। Answer, पहले 20 minus 5 is equal to 15। फिर 15 plus 10 is equal to 25। So the correct answer is 20 minus 5 plus 10 is equal to 25। 4. Rajat's father bought 12 balloons। 7 of them got burst। How many balloons are left? 8, 6। B, 5। C, 7। D, 9। Answer, total balloons 12। Balloons burst 7। Balloons left 12 minus 7 is equal to 5। So the correct answer is option B, 5। 5. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer। 40, 30, 20, 30। Answer, 40 minus 30 is equal to 10। 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So the correct answer is 40 minus 30 plus 20 is equal to 30. 6. There are 16 girls and 19 boys in class 8. How many total students are there in class 8? A. 46, B. 35, C. 47, D. 59. Answer. Number of girls 16. Number of boys 19. Total students 16 plus 19 is equal to 35. So the correct answer is option B, 35. 7. Ravi has 6 marbles and Nikhil has 4 marbles. Jill brought 12 more marbles for playing with them. How many marbles now they all have? A. 36, B. 48, C. 22, D. 32. Answer. Ravi has 6 marbles. Nikhil has 4 marbles. Jill brought 12 marbles. Total 6 plus 4 plus 12 is equal to 22. So the correct answer is option C, 22. 8. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 48 space 48 is equal to 0. Answer. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So the correct answer is 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Now put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 24 space 7 is equal to 31. Answer. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. So the correct answer is 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. Thus, put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 6 space 3 4 space 5. Answer. Left side 6 plus 3 9. Right side 4 plus 5 9. So the correct answer is 6 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 5. 11. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 16 space 6 is equal to 10. Answer. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 12. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 20 space 30 is equal to 40 space 10. Answer. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So the correct answer is 20 plus 30 is equal to 40 plus 10. 13. Amit had 17 mangoes. He gave 13 mangoes to his friend. How many mangoes are left with him now? A. 4, B. 6, C. 2, D. 7. Answer. Total mangoes Amit had 17. Mangoes he gave 13. Left with him 17 minus 13 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is option A, 4. 14. Put plus or minus in the space provided to get the appropriate answer. 22 space 5 is equal to 9 space 8. Answer. Left side 22 minus 5 is equal to 17. Right side 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So the correct answer is 22 minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 8. 15. What is the difference between smallest 2-digit number and smallest 3-digit number? A. 63, B. 50, C. 80, D. 90. Answer. Smallest 2-digit number 10. Smallest 3-digit number 100. Difference 100 minus 10 90. So the correct answer is option D, 90. So children, हमने सारे एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर लिए. जहां टोटल निकालना था वहां प्लस लगाया. जहां डिफरेंस निकालना था वहां माइनस लगाया। तो याद रखना, एडिशन मीन्स जोड़ना, सबट्रैक्शन मीन्स घटाना। धन्यवाद। अगर यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें।